Welcome back to Think Talk on WNYC, the Big Apple's home for social commentary with your host, RJ Jadeja.
We're taking our third caller tonight in a poignant special series about international surrogacy. And whom are we speaking with now?
This is Arun.
Hey Arun, so what's your stance on tonight's issue? Are you for or against it?
I think it's comparable to prostitution.
Mm-hmm.
These people are exploiting our women by coming into our country
Wait, don't you live here in New York, Arun? And for how long?
That's not the point.
I think it is. I think it's easy to sit in your apartment in Manhattan, an imported doctor or MBA, whatever the case, the model Indian minority talking about the many social evils back home while not doing a thing about it.
You know what?
Thanks for your time, Arun.
This is John.
Hey, John. How can I help you?
I've done some research on you.
Have you?
You moved to America 15 years ago. Changed your name from Rajendra Jadeja to RJ. Try to make a career for yourself here, living the dream.
That's Google, John. That's not research.
Yeah, well, look what you and your wife are doing now. Hello? Hello? Am I still on?
Relax. I'm just trying to make sure that everything goes smoothly. You seem frazzled.
Yeah, well, it's been kind of a mess.
We'll fix it.
आरजे रोजमेरी, I want you to meet अंजलि. अंजलि, मैं तुम्हें आरजे और रोजमेरी से मिलवाना चाहता हूँ.
So nice to finally meet you. We're very grateful that you're going to carry our baby for us.
Becky.
Indian?
अमेरिका में रहते हैं, लेकिन आरजे इंडियन है.
आपसे मिलके बहुत खुशी हुई अंजलि जी.
आप हिंदी बोलते हैं?
जी.
नहीं, इन लोगों ने बताया कि आप फॉरेन से हैं.
दीदी वहीं पैदा हुई थी. मैं तो गुजरात में अहमदाबाद के पास पैदा हुआ, मणिनगर में.
मैं भी महसाणा से हूँ.
सच? महसाणा तो बहुत सुंदर जगह है.
तो आप गए वहाँ पे?
बहुत बार गया हूँ. तो आप ये करने के लिए तैयार हैं अंजलि जी? अगर आपको हमारा बच्चा होता है तो आपको डॉक्टर साहब ने बताया इससे आपकी हेल्थ को क्या रिस्क है?
Yes, she is.
She is what?
She's aware.
आपसे ये कोई ज़बरदस्ती तो नहीं करवा रहा है ना?
We screen them properly beforehand.
आपके पति कहाँ हैं आज?
He's ill. Can't make it today.
Is everything all right? अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते तो मैं ये नहीं करती. मेरा मतलब है कि मैं ये पैसों के लिए कर रही हूँ ताकि मैं अपने बच्चों को पढ़ा सकूँ. और मैं आपको भी खुश देखना चाहती हूँ. What did she say?
Late हो रहा है अंजलि.
Anjali, do you like chocolates? Or maybe your children do? And I brought this for you. I thought you'd like it. Thank you.
चलिए चेकअप्स के लिए.
That's the last one before we extract your eggs tomorrow.
For sure?
Congratulations.
Thank God you have to give something next.
Sorry.
भैया।
अरे आप अभी तक यहीं हो?
हाँ, एक और चेकअप बाकी है। आप ठीक हो भैया?
जी। और आप? आपने वो जगह देखी है जहां आप रहोगे प्रेग्नेंट होने के बाद?
हाँ, डॉक्टर ने दिखाई थी। अच्छी जगह है।
अपनी फैमिली को ज़्यादा नहीं मिल पाओगी।
लेकिन टीवी देख सकती हो ना, और कोई काम भी नहीं होगा करने को। भैया, जब आपका बच्चा होगा ना, तो आप उसका नाम रिचर्ड रखना।
रिचर्ड? क्यों?
क्योंकि वो आपकी तरह अमेरिकन होगा ना।
इंडियन भी तो होगा।
टेंशन मत लो भैया, और बुढ़े हो जाओगे।
और बुढ़ा? शर्मी? I remember this beach from when I was 5. We used to come to an uncle's house in Villepale for our vacations.
Yeah?
Even this shack is ritzy now compared to what it was.
Hey. I just want you to know that I think what we're doing is perfect.
Yeah?
I don't know why God or whoever it is out there made me the way that I am. So that it's impossible for me.
No, you don't have to tell me that. I was going to tell you the same thing.
What?
That, you know, what we're doing is perfect. It's perfect. Stop, shut up.
Today's the day. Forgot to ask you how the broadcast went.
It was alright.
It's just alright?
Yeah. Kind of just riffed on the issue.
I hope you didn't riff too much. What? Some people just don't understand everything that we've been through, and they have children of their own, so they think they have the right to
George
judge
thinks
us.
this one might get me a television deal.
Really?
Yeah.
That'd be great. Oh, I'm so proud of you. You deserve it after all these years. I'm sorry I haven't listened to it yet. I've been meaning to. I just get so tired at the end of the days here.
Welcome back to Think Talk on KNYC. We're taking our
You
third
sound
caller
good,
tonight
babe.
in a poignant special series about international surrogacy. And whom are we speaking with now?
This is Arun. You moved to America 15 years ago. Change your name from Rajendra Jadeja to RJ. Try to make a career for yourself here, living
That's
the
Google,
dream.
John. That's not research.
Yeah, well, look what you and your wife are doing now. You're gonna take your American wife all the way to India so you can have a baby that looks like you? Isn't that selfish? What, she doesn't want to get fat for 9 months? Take time off from her precious job? To do what's natural for women to do?
John, do you have any idea how much a single IVF procedure costs in the US? And if she fails those treatments, what do you do next? The truth is that my wife and I have been trying to have a baby for years. And honestly, it's been pretty ugly. Surrogacy is the last chance to have the baby she wants. We want.
Do you not want this?
You know that's not true.
Well, then what is it? Because you haven't been with me since you've gotten here.
That's not how it is, Jan.
Well, you've been different ever since you met our surrogate.
Our surrogate? She has a name. It's Anjali.
I know what her name is.
Then use it, man.
I see the way you look at her, RJ. People would think that she's your wife and not me.
Look, Anjali is just pleasant despite her circumstances. Despite the fact that her husband is forcing her to do this, to come up with extra money. He's not even around for her.
What? You told me that she said it was her choice.
You're gonna listen to her? I know how these things work.
Well, I don't, but I don't think that their life is our business.
No, that's the thing. It is our business. You just don't see that. Because you don't really connect to this place.
Is that what you really think?
I think you're here just to pick up your baby. That's all.
Look, John, I'm from a country where life is unfair for about 90% of the people. You think I'm oblivious to exploitation? To the fact that most kids in India will never get a chance to manifest their dreams? But I'm still not claiming I'm above that. None of us are. None of us can be.
So you admit that what you're doing is wrong, right?
Yes. On some level.
I'm sorry. Did RJ come in for the donation?
I believe he did. Why? Is there a problem?
No. Yes. I was wondering if maybe we could wait a day.
Look, we really have to rush this. We've got to get you in right away for your egg extraction so that we can prepare the surrogate. We've got to do it today. Okay? I'm in a meeting with another patient. Excuse me.
None of her family came today. You should go in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. She needs someone.
Why don't you come along? Hi, Anjali.
Only family allowed.
I am family.
Okay, एक minute.
भैया, आपकी शादी हो गई है।
तो मेरे मम्मी बिल्कुल तुम्हारे जैसे ही थे, एकदम निडर।
आपकी बीवी भी बहुत अच्छी है भैया। मैं आप दोनों के लिए बहुत खुश हूँ।
पता है, अगर तुम नहीं होते ना तो मैं ये शायद नहीं कर पाता।
चलो टाइम हो गया।
If this doesn't work out, you know we'll still be okay. Right?